So today I'm going to go to Surrey Rolling Road and I'm going to get the car dynoed, but just before I change the ECU to see how much power it's making originally. So at the moment the current mods on this car are the exhaust, which is a Malian exhaust from the Catback. I have put a Decat pipe on there temporarily just for the moment, and I've got the manifold, which is a Jackson Racing manifold, which is a 4-2-1, and for the intake stuff I have the DIY intake that I did, which is the piping and everything. Other than that, that is all the stuff I've done to this car as terms of modification. For power, other stuff I've only done a visual and handling, so those won't play any factor. Write your guesses of what how much power this should have. It's at the moment 169,000 kilometers, and it's also 32 years old. These cars originally from factory came with 115 horsepower, so how much do you think I gained or lost? Write it in the comments below and we can find out. And now we just have to drive to Surrey Rolling Road and we should be able to get a dyno there. MB has been found.
So this is the before run in blue. It was 105, went out at 120 because it's just basically breathing mods. So you freed everything up. Was the cat in there before?
Yeah.
Right. So you take the cat out. It might well have been blocked, quite frankly.
It was actually clear.
Oh, was there a clear?
Yeah, I took it out yesterday.
Blimey.
Yeah.
Oh, well, it worked.
Yeah.
The fueling's all fine. It's all happy and healthy.
You know, the weird thing is people say with this car is that, you know, these sort of easy mods, they don't give much power. Yeah. But it does.
One of two things: either the car had a problem before, and you fixed it, or it just is now working all fine.
But you said last time the fueling was fine too.
Yeah, still good.
That's strange.
Yeah, no, so it's all working fine. Nice healthy car, that.
So here's the dyno graph that Surrey Rolling Road was talking about. So as you see with this lower line, that was the original power that was making 3 years ago. So that was 105 horsepower. And you can see up here the new line, which is now 120.5. So I've increased exactly 15 horsepower since I last ran this car. Same dyno, same everything, even the same guy doing the dyno. This other line here is air fuel ratio. So that's just this weird part here is explaining how this is closed. The closed loop part is up to about here, and then you can see it kicks up, and then it starts reading off from the AFM for this section. That's why it's like got the weird lump. And then you got this other graph, which is the one that everyone usually sees. This graph here is, you can see the bottom line, that's horsepower again, and that's the top horsepower line. Under here, this is torque. You can see there's also been a jump in the torque levels. So it used to have originally about 90-ish foot-pounds of torque, so less than a drill. And now it's just over 100, as you can see. Like, you follow this line here for the Newton meters, it just about touches 100, which is a bit of an increase. In a car that's like this, it's notably lighter, and so you do feel a bit more difference, but I didn't know it would be this much of an increase. So that's very impressive for a car like this, to be fair. And also it's 32 years old, and I've only done bolt-on mods. Now it's time for an ECU. If you want to see more power stuff like dynos, more comparisons like before and after, what mods help, I will make those videos if you like and subscribe this video down here. So it shows me that you like this stuff and I can actually make it. Also, let's see if we can get to 1,000 subscribers. I know it's a bit of a jump, I know it's a bit for an ask, but I know we can do it, and let's prove it that we can make it. And so I can get to do more things to this car, and I have more ideas I have, but I can't do them without your help. So I need your help, guys. Please subscribe and help me come up with ideas, other content. Maybe you want to see another car, but I need to have enough subscribers to do that. So make sure you subscribe down there. Ring the bell too, because I upload really infrequently. So I'll let you all go, and I can enjoy my 120.5 horsepower. That 0.5 does make a difference.